do you think of the track so far?
I can't figure out. So we go through this gate, above the hurdle.
Yes.
Around the flag, in this gate.
Inside the flag.
Inside. Oh. After split S, it's a slalom.
Yep.
After slalom this way.
Spiral around, over the gate, and then through the gate.
Or through.
Back side of the flag. We'll do,
okay.
We'll
Yeah,
do a track walk, but yeah.
Yeah, cool. That's good. Yeah, I like it.
All right, good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. Very nice, everybody through. So Limon on a mission in this one. He's already out of the carousel, coming around for lap number 1. It is a race for the 2 spot between Lunatic FPV and NM Grower. They're going through the slalom. Making their way into the carousel now. 2 and 3. Now it is NM Grower taking over that 2 spot. Two spot going to be Lunatic FPV. NM Grower in 3rd. Crusader in 4th. Electric FPV in 5th. $15.2 from your leader, $15.5 from 2nd place, $15.7 from 3rd. Oh, we got one caught in the gate in the center, guys. Caution in the center. That is time. Pilots race him to the line. Crusader, wow. Pulling off his 2nd place right at the end there. That was close. Wow. 0.3 of a second. So Limon going to take the win in that one. Crusader going to finish 2nd. NM Grower 3rd. Lunatic FPV 4th. And Electric FPV going to finish 5th. First ticket is going to be 956257.
What a nice call.
There he goes.
Of course, every time.
That's what he wanted. He wanted the run cam.
It's the best one.
Next ticket, 248.
Damn it.
Woo! 248. Gankman.
Always a winner. It'll go for one.
Thank you.
Literally every single winner.
Every single time. Next one. 254. 254. Taking the shirt, mode 2 FPV. All right, next ticket.
247.
247.
Oh my God!
It's like he knew it was coming.
He called it.
I felt it.
Thank you. 247.
2 for 2.
Oh, there you go.
Next ticket, 243.
Dang it! That would have been my
243. Thank you.
At this point in my career, I need
The two that I
go with
bought
the
are
fox
ones
ear hat.
that one-
Gonna go with the fox ear hat.
ones that I buy, they go in a different bucket.
I like those. Those look nice. Next ticket, 251. 251. Is that number 3?
Yeah, that's all.
That's number 3. So I'm gonna pick this one here. It's 256.
Hey! Yes! Yes!
I don't know why he's saying yes. You want to read it to me? 250.
What a surprise!
Yeah. 250. Thank you.
So what, I can take everything?
No, you can take one.
Like this?